Good afternoon, y'all. Welcome to the channel. I'm out here just surveying the land after that heavy rain we had last week. Just seeing where the creeks flow on the land, where I can dam up. You want to capture as much water on your land as possible before it leaves your land. So the way this land is situated, I'm in between two mountain ranges. So that mountain range right there and this mountain range on this side, and then it's this valley in between. I mean, I guess this would be considered a floodplain. Okay. A lot of little creeks, tributaries running through here. So what I want to do is start damming some of this stuff, some of these little tributaries up. Let that water soak into the ground. Maybe make these a little deeper. But you can see just stepping outside the tributary, it's bare. You got a nice mesquite tree growing over here. Close to this one tributary. There's another one that comes up there, flows down that way. So I see a lot of opportunity on this land. It's just the way it's situated. Alright, y'all, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Just sharing my experiences out here. Stuff is turning green after the heavy rains. You can see the ocotillos. Those long, those plants with the long branches. Like 3 days ago, they were brown, and now they got green leaves on them. And they only grow on the mountains. You don't see them on the flatlands. But I got a lot of mesquite out here, so that's good. All right, y'all. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for updates. See our tiny home over there. Panoramic view.